if you truly want to make meaning, it's the first step towards innovation.
This is what we would call a special project. As Dutchmann don't really build motorbikes, it's not something which we specifically specialize in. I met Bobby Hack basically through an interest in what I would call kind of the quintessential shape of a motorcycle. To me, a Speedway bike is what a motorcycle is. Frame, motor, two wheels.
Our challenge is to wake up each day and say, how can I experience the world better? Determine how you can make meaning. How can you change the world?
Yeah, hi, I'm Bobby Hack. I'm actually 65 years old. It's been a rough life.
I said to him, let's take a Speedway bike that normally is designed to go around in circles and let's build it for straight line speed. You know, these bikes are capable of doing, and this bike will do 0 to 100 in just over 2 seconds.
This word journey, you might think is like an adventure thing, but right here, right now, is exactly where I'm supposed to be.